Hello, I'm Dr. Sylvia Ramirez, the Medical and Scientific Director of Cutis Medical Laser Clinics. Today I'm going to discuss a great combination treatment for body contouring known as Z-Lipo by Zimmer combined with Z-Wave, which is an acoustic shockwave technology. The combination of Zimmer Z-Lipo and Z-Wave is the latest and clinically proven combination treatment for body contouring. For over 40 years, Zimmer has been one of the leading aesthetic manufacturers in Europe. Zimmer is the original expert in cooling technologies. We have used Zimmer for many years to protect the skin for laser procedures. Now Zimmer has come out with its own cryolipolysis or fat freezing device known as Z-Lipo, combined with acoustic shockwave known as Z-Wave. Today, I'm going to start with an introduction to Z-Lipo and proceed with a discussion on how we combine this with Z-Wave. Z-Lipo by Zimmer uses cryolipolysis or cooling technology to freeze fat deposits in various parts of the body without surgery or downtime. This results in reshaping and contouring and is a suitable treatment for both men and women who are looking for a non-surgical option to remove pockets of fat on areas that are resistant to diet and exercise. These include the arms, stomach, flank areas or love handles, and the thighs. Z-Lipo works because fat has a different freezing point and responds differently when exposed to cold temperatures than the surrounding tissues and skin. When fat tissue is exposed to cold, it triggers the process of apoptosis or programmed cell death. Over time, the fat cells die and are naturally removed from the body. Each treatment cycle takes about 60 minutes, but this allows the treatment of two areas of the body. Within 3 to 5 days, the fat cells start to undergo a process of programmed cell death known as apoptosis. The visible results take about 3 weeks to 90 days. There is at least one clinical study in the United States that shows that the addition of a shockwave therapy known as Z-Wave results in a significantly greater fat reduction from fat freezing treatment. This also reduces the discomfort and shortens the recovery period after fat freezing, as it enhances the mobilization of the dying fat cells. Z-Wave uses high-energy radial shockwaves that massage the tissues underneath the skin. As the energy penetrates into the skin, it further breaks up the fat cells, resulting in an improvement of fat reduction. Z-Wave also affects the collagen structure and the skin's connective tissue, resulting in a firmer and smoother appearance of the skin. Indeed, a clinical study has shown that combining cryolipolysis with Z-Wave resulted in a more rapid fat reduction. The subjects with the 4 weekly Z-Wave treatments had over twice the fat reduction during each week when compared to those who only had an initial massage. At Cutis, we also combine Z-Lipo with the Vanquish radiofrequency program using a protocol that we call the Fire and Ice procedure. Vanquish is the first contactless radiofrequency treatment that safely targets fat without even touching your skin. Make sure to check out our Vanquish video to learn more about the procedure. At the start of any body contouring procedure at Cutis, we begin with a 360-degree body assessment where we discuss your areas of concern and propose a personalized treatment plan that would fit your goals as well as your time frame. At that time, we will assess the type of body contouring treatment and whether a combination treatment would be appropriate for you. If you'd like to know whether you're a good candidate for Z-Lipo or our Fire and Ice program, please don't hesitate to call us on the number that you see on your screen. And if you want to watch more of Cutis treatment videos, please subscribe to our channel.